What's up Sushi lovers family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi and Santosh. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make ginger pickles. In Japanese we are saying Gari. In a Japanese word Gari means crunchy and crispy. So every sushi plates you will able to see ginger pickles. It's a kinds of components of Japanese traditions. And also not only components, it will give freshness and it will help you digest very well when you are eating raw fish. It is the antibacterial component. People will think, okay, ginger pickles and curry will eaten with sushi dining, but you can eat curry with beer, wine. When you are eating other food also, you can add the ginger pickles on the side. When you are going to eat the raw fish, for example, in a sushi and sashimi combo, you will get the tuna roll, you will get the salmon roll or slice of salmon, slice of tuna, slice of octopus and slice of whitefish. When you are going to eat salmon, after that salmon, if you want to taste the slice of tuna, you have to eat the ginger curry. So it will clean your mouth and it will clear taste and textures of the salmon. So you will get real taste of tuna. When you are eating the raw fish, it can have the bad smell in your mouth. So if you eat the ginger pickles, and it will clean and it will give the freshness in your mouth. You don't need lots of things, just 4 components. You will make homemade delicious sweet sour ginger pickles. That's the gingers. And we need the vinegar, salt and sugar. Let's go. And I'm really thankful all of you, my sisters family. Thank you so much for your love, respect and time. I'm almost 45k. Keep loving and keep looking. Now I'm gonna clean this with the running tap water. Also, we are not allowed to have these skins. Just little bit skin also. I have to take all the skins, okay? You can slice it in a small slice, okay? Like this, okay? Or you can use the one mandalina, like this machines. So it will be easy. You will get the thinner slice in a fast way. Like this. I already sliced it. Now I'm gonna boil it. The process I'm gonna show you step by step. Don't go away from this video, okay? Let's go to boil it. 1 teaspoon salt here. Okay, now I'm gonna put this ginger slice here. Just 1 to 2 minutes, okay? So it will lose spiciness. It will lose the hard textures also. It will be a more soft, good textures, you know. Okay, let's drain it. And one important thing is don't put cold water to make the cold it, okay? Okay, it will start to be a cold. Let it be a cold in a room temperature. The important things, we have to make the vinegar. That vinegar recipe is very important. Let's make the sauce, okay? To season it. I'm using that kind of rice vinegar. If you don't have the rice vinegar, no need to be worried. You can use the apple cider vinegar, wine vinegar, white vinegar, whatever you want. And what the things is available with you. But the rice vinegar is really good. I really love because it will have the mild flavor. So I'm going to use the 200 ml. I'm going to use the 100 grams sugar, white sugar, 100 grams sugar. Normally I love to add 20 grams kosher salt, but I already used the 10 grams, so I'm going to use just now 10 grams, okay? Yes, 10 grams. I'm going to add here and let's mix it very well. And also you can give the little bit heat to melt sugar and salt properly, but don't boil, okay? If you boil, the acidity, the component of the vinegar will be less. I'm going to take out the water from here. Here is also water, you can see here, but don't try to break it, you know. It's almost cold now. You can see here it's not breaking and it is being very soft. Okay, now I'm gonna pour this sauce in here. Don't do the refrigerator now, and now it's a little bit hot. I'll wait till it's become cool in a room temperature. After that, I can put in jar in a container. Also, you will see some ginger pickles have different color. Now I'm gonna show you how to make colorful ginger pickles. Okay, normally to make the colorful, some people use food color, but I don't prefer to use the food color. If you're going to use the baby ginger, on the top you will see a little bit red part. This you can use to make the different colorful ginger pickles at home. But here I'm going to use bitter root. This sauce you can use just a little bit here. So I'll wait till tomorrow. Color of this ginger curry will be a little bit pink, you know. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.